Hello, and welcome to today's hot topic, reverse logistics. Have you ever had to return something that you bought online? In e-commerce, this process is called reverse logistics, and today we are going to dive deeper into this topic and showcase how to optimize your returns process, reduce returns, and turn your return policy to your advantage. Reverse logistics is the process of returning products back to the retailer. As such, it represents an additional layer on top of the order fulfillment and is becoming an increasingly important factor for business success. Once the return process is initiated by the customer, this package needs to be transported back to the relevant warehouse, and a quality check is carried out on site to decide the fate of returned goods. For example, if the faulty product is beyond salvation, it is properly disposed of. Otherwise, it will be made functional and restored again before it is shipped again. Logistics experts often refer to this process as the 5 R's of reverse logistics, namely returns, recalls, repairs, repackaging, and recycling. However, as an e-commerce merchant, your primary goal is to avoid returns. Spoiler alert, complicating your returns process is not a good solution. Instead, get to the bottom of your customers' issues and solve the structural problems. More often than not, your customers returned a product due to one of the top 5 reasons for returns in e-commerce. These are 1. Defective or damaged products. 2. Expectations were not fulfilled. 3. Insufficient quality. 4. Too many products were ordered. 5. Delivery problems. In our hands-on blog about reverse logistics, we show solutions for each of these causes for returns. For example, we included several practical expert tips, like making use of the so-called endowment effect by extending the return period. This will reduce the customer's perceived urgency to make a decision. The longer the customers wait and keep the product, the more likely they are to learn to love and keep it. The blog also includes an easy-to-grasp overview of the legal basis for returns, as well as tips on how to optimize your return policy. As a business practice, returns are expensive. As marketing activities, they are cheap. As such, reverse logistics is still one of the overlooked areas to leverage as a competitive advantage and differentiator against your competition. Seizing this opportunity, we at Byrd have developed our own returns portal that seamlessly integrates with our all-in-one fulfillment tool. With it, you can take the hassle out of the returns process and turn every return into a new order. Don't forget to check out our blog in the returns portal. You can even reach out to us and talk to our e-commerce fulfillment experts. As always, all links are in the description below. Thank you for watching, and catch you on the next one.